Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Jawbreaker Eyeshadow Palette. Sorry if I'm late uploading this video, but I just got my order in. I did place the order the day it launched and it took over 2 weeks for me to get my order. It's my first time purchasing from his website. I usually do BEAUTYLISH and their shipping is pretty fast. Let me know if any of you had issues with Jeffree Star Cosmetics when it comes to shipping. So for the palette, this is part of the Jawbreaker collection, which is their summer collection. I believe everything from the collection will be limited edition. This is the mini Jawbreaker palette that has 9 eyeshadows and retails for $28. I actually purchased the bundle for $75 and it includes both palettes. You'll save $11 by buying the bundle. The bundle is currently out of stock, but I did see on Instagram that it will be restocking this Friday. I'll have all that information down below. This is the first time Jeffree Star Cosmetics launches a small palette with 9 eyeshadows, and honestly I hope they continue doing this because it makes it easier for some people to try his products without having to invest on a $50 palette. The packaging is a cardboard palette with a magnetic closure. The packaging feels good quality just like all his packaging. The names of the eyeshadows are printed under each eyeshadow, and the palette also includes a good quality mirror. Out of the 9 eyeshadows, 6 are matte and 3 are shimmers. The shade Orange Crush is a matte shade with small specks of glitter. Unfortunately, out of the 9 eyeshadows, 2 eyeshadows are repeats from the Jawbreaker palette. Those shades are Bubblegum and Bite Me. In my opinion, I would have liked that they didn't share any eyeshadows, but that's just my opinion. For the swatches, all of the mattes were very soft and pigmented. All swatched evenly. When testing them with the brush, they all blended smoothly. I did have some kick up and minor fallout. And to me personally, this doesn't bother me unless it's a lot, but I just like to mention this in my videos. For the shimmers, these were very creamy and pigmented. All 3 shades swatched without any issues. When using a brush, I noticed they perform better with the wet synthetic brush or a finger application. So overall, this is a very pretty palette. All of the eyeshadows perform good without any issues, so I definitely recommend it if it's a color story that you like. In my opinion, the shade Hot Fudge stood out and I would have liked maybe a warmer brown instead. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.